So I'm starting to fill out my workshop a little bit, and I've built the frame of my first bench that's going to go in here. It's a new design. There's a few things to tweak about it, but primarily it's made with non-structural 70 by 35 pine and formply for the bench. So the goal is to have 8 tubs worth of storage, these big ABS storage tubs. So I want to have 8 tubs worth of storage and 2.4 meter by 600 bench top, and have them movable so I can relocate them around to fit spaces. If I want to rearrange the workshop, I can. So I'm thinking of having maybe one against that wall and see if I can fit 2 in over there, another 2 over there, and then have these 2 big benches in the middle. That might be a little bit cluttered, but we'll see how we go. I put this together outside on the sloping driveway, and I thought I accounted for the slope by carefully measuring and marking and everything and attaching it based on distances, not based on angles. Didn't quite go 100%, but it's close enough for the first one. So the last thing I want to do is bung another long piece along the front there, and then 3 45-degree brackets to hold it up. So I can store another set of tubs up on the top there in that orientation. So I've got the power board screwed to the bottom along the way, and this 17mm formply is quite sturdy. It has got more of a wobble. Let's see if I can get an angle on it. See, I'm wobbling the camera while I wobble the bench. It's got a bit of a wobble on it, which I'm not crazy about, but I think that's because some of the feet aren't sitting perfectly flat. I didn't dress the ends of the boards when I was cutting them up. For the next one, I'll do that, and I might also consider some diagonal ties, maybe up to there and then up to there. But put together in about 2 hours. It's pretty quick to build, and I'm going to put some thin ply across the back there for hanging stuff. Maybe put some cleats on there or something. French cleats, everyone loves French cleats. So over here I've got my patented tea towel dispenser, which is just a 100ml tube stuffed with tea towels, and a bolt across the bottom to stop them all falling out. Just stuff the clean ones in the top as well. Righto. I've got a time lapse of the build. I'll put that here. Okay, bye.